Stop shouting. Start connecting. People buy trust. That's the only way to sell online. They are not interested in your perfection or awkwardness. They are interested in your authenticity. Welcome to me, day 19. And today's topic is
social selling strategy. Social selling emphasizes building authentic relationships, integrating trust and value into the sales process for lasting connections. So social selling basically is leveraging platforms with prospects and customers, right, to foster relationships, engaging in hard selling. It plays a crucial role in modern sales and marketing by enabling brands to reach their audience in a more personal and authentic manner by focusing on building trust, providing value so businesses can enhance their credibility, ultimately drive sales without the pressure of traditional sales technique. Traditional social selling has really helped markets, because right now you don't have to be in a place to sell the market. You can be in somewhere as far as Kano and be selling to someone in Lagos. All you have to do is be on social media. That's just it. Tom Brown was a food that was just for the people in the north, but now it has gone everywhere. People are now seeing. Now people don't have to buy Tom Brown directly from the producers. The content creators have taught people how to make that Tom Brown from the comfort of their home. Give them market lists, the things to buy, the process, how to go about the buying, and basically that's it. So this is what social media has done for us. So now while selling on social media, you have to avoid being salesy, right? That being salesy actually has a way of pursuing your clients. It sounds pushy, it sounds like scripted and impersonal. It feels like as if you are coercing them. All you talk about is come and buy, without, when you don't have this familiar relationship with them, right? To foster genuine connections, avoid standardized scripts and overly aggressive pitches. Please ignore my background noise. Focus instead on authentic conversations that resonate with your audience needs and interests. Okay, so common mistake people do in social selling is being too aggressive or pushy. This approach always alienates your customers. Okay, stop using promotional language like come and buy now, buy this, buy that. This can make your audience feel like they are being sold to rather than being valued, and to sugar their defense and drive them away. So once your audience is feeling defensive, they are leaving. There's no two-way about it. Salesy approach actually creates some psychological barriers between you and your audience, right? And once there's a barrier, there's a problem. Okay, so to succeed social selling, embrace a natural conversational style, right, that will foster deep connections, allowing your audience to feel valued rather than feeling coerced. Now, core strategies for authentic social selling is by building trust. How do you build that trust? Genuine interaction. That's the key to selling. There's no pressure. So the strategies for natural engagement are storytelling, listening, helpful content, and social proof. Now, how do you go about it? Authentic storytelling. It's a very powerful social media tool. People want to hear your real experiences. People don't buy perfect. They buy what they trust, right? So for you to create a genuine content, a genuine relationship with your audience, you have to be able to foster a rapport, a trust. Okay, this approach will allow your potential customers to relate with your journey, making them receptive to your message. Okay, you are someone who sells a cream that removes dark spots. Now you are telling them, okay, my dark spots started so and so time. It started at this time when this thing happened, and when it started, this is what it started to cause for me. I started feeling this. I started feeling a sort of way. So when I've tried this cream, that cream, this process, I listened, but there was no headway till I tried this, and then it started to work. Not only did it clear my dark spots, it gave me this, it did this. So you are becoming to get relatable, right? Storytelling is not about selling. You are engaging, you are inspiring. Now when somebody remembers your story, they will remember to buy from you, right? So there are a lot of people who sell cream that removes spots. It's not only you. what makes you different from the other person. Now, listening actively. While listening actively is a way to nurture genuine connections in social selling. By actually focusing on your audience needs and concern, you foster trust and demonstrate that you value their input. This approach enhances engagement and makes your communication feel more personal and authentic. Cultivating this practice helps in tailoring your response effectively, leading to a more meaningful dialogue that resonates with your audience. Remember, listening is just as crucial as speaking in building relationships. So how do you listen? Responding to their comments, liking their comments, right? Now, there's some comments that are too much and you cannot reply at once. What do? You create another content that just kind of solves, that kind of replies to the general comments. I don't know you're getting. It means that you are listening actively. Okay, now providing value is another way. How do you provide value? How do you provide value? You are sharing insights, tips, and resources that address their needs. Okay, let's say you're someone who sells, like me now, I sell smoked catfish. I know that a lot of people are always having issues like, oh, this smoked catfish, do I put the head? What do I do with the head? I don't like throwing away the head. I really tell them, you don't have to throw away the head of your catfish. You can blend it and use it as a condiment, a spicing option, right? Me, I don't really like throwing away everything that I used to. I don't like throwing away some things. I'm not someone who throws things away. I like to recycle stuff because let's come to think of it, the waste in the world is too much. So I like to recycle stuff. So the head of my smack, I don't like putting the head of my catfish into the food because I don't really like it. So what I do is I would gut the head, like clean up the head and blend it. That's what I do. I blend it. So before I put my smoke, I will just break off the head. I blend it. I use it as a spice for other foods. So this is a tip to help. There are a lot of people that are like me. So I'm telling them, okay, instead of throwing away your smoked catfish head, you can blend it and use it as a spice for other foods. You foster trust. I know you're getting me. So when you prioritize education over hard selling, you cultivate authentic connections, leveraging social proof, testimonials. For brands who are starting new, getting testimonials can be quite tricky. What is the cheat code? Include family and friends. Give your family and friends free samples to try out your products or service and let them be your first social proof. It really helps and it's easy. When you give, let's say you're someone who sells bath oils, you already told you give a sample to your friend and say, oh, try this out. Right now, give her time to use it, give him time to use it, and then ask him after a while, how did you like it? Now, it is important most times to keep track of these testimonials. It's better you use, like, maybe you can tell them, you can go and watch them, oh, that's oil where I give you 2 weeks ago, how you see him, right? Simple and easy. How you see him? Oh, it's nice, I liked it, but it would have been better like this. I know you're getting me. So now you get social proof of what you have done, and you can take this and post it online. Simple and easy. Even when you have offline customers, you can just ask them you can go and meet them. There are people, there are some of your customers that are not on social media, like me, that sell catfish. I have a lot of offline customers. I have market women who are not on social media, right? So when they come, I keep on asking them, why do you keep coming back? They tell me, oh, one particular man tells me, I come back here because of exclusivity. When I come here, I don't have to drag space with other buyers. Actionable tips and tools to help social selling. Leverage innovative tools and strategies to connect authentically, fostering meaningful relationships in your social selling journey. Personalized messaging is very important. It's essential to effective social selling. Tailor your communication to resonate with your audience's unique needs, interests, and challenges. Now, researching your prospects and understanding their preferences can help you create relevant and engaging content that feels genuine. You know who your content is meant for. So you have to research them. What do they like to hear? Like, very important. What do they like to hear? What are the things they like to see? What are the things they like to do? Personalized messaging is very important. Be in the comment section, okay? Don't just leave your comment section. Big influencers, they respond to at least the first 5 comments. They respond to them and they like almost every comment. So if they are doing it, why would you, a new brand, not be doing it? So make use of these social features. They are very important. Customer relation management tools, we have a variety of them. Where they can help to streamline communications, allow you to track interactions, preferences, and engagement history with your audience. Timing and frequency. It is very important that when you are posting, you have to post at the same time that your audiences are online. You can't be posting, you can't be posting at off hours, okay, until you become very, very popular. You have to, your post has to meet up with the time your users are online. It's good to keep track of your post. So you say, when I posted at 11 a.m, this is the information I got, right? Effective social selling examples. One successful educator utilized storytelling on LinkedIn to share their teaching experience. By showcasing real life challenges and triumphs, they engage their audience, build strong relationship, and demonstrate the value of authentic connection in social selling. So storytelling, very important. Okay, so we've come to the end of day 19. Woohoo! So we have to say our affirmations. I sell with ease because my energy is genuine. My authenticity attracts the right buyers. I don't chase, I connect. I serve, I convert. My content speaks for me and sells for me. The right people see me, trust me, and buy from me. Please, please, please. My background was quite noisy today. I couldn't help it. I tried to go to different parts of the house, but it wasn't helping. So bear with me, all right? And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment. I'm in the comment section. I respond to all comments, okay? Thank you very much for being here. See you tomorrow. Toodles.